Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I give you some tips and tricks about Widgetsmith not working iPhone after iOS 14 updates. Lot of iPhone and iPad users report to Widgetsmith not working on iPhone and iPad after iOS 14 updates. So guys, I give you some solution easy to solve your problems. First of all, open App Stores, then top corner search Widgetsmith. Some iPhone users report to Widgetsmith not working in iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, X, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro. So guys, I give you some tips. So open Widgetsmith, then update your Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad. Then check, you can see also your problem solved. In Widgetsmith some bugs so not working in iPhone after iOS 14 updates. So guys, first of all, update your Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad. Update Widgetsmith after again open Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad, and you can see also Widgetsmith working in your iPhone and iPad easily. The second solution is delete Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad, then again reinstall Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad. So press Widgetsmith, then you can see also remove app, so click on remove app, then again open App Store in your iPhone and iPad. Open App Store, after you can see also top corner search Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad, then sometime wait. Then again install Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad, so you can see also easily solve your problems. The third solution is turn on and off iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, open settings in your iPhone and iPad, then scroll down and select general, then scroll down and select shutdown options. In shutdown you can see also slide to power off, then 30-second wait, after again turn on your iPhone, and easy to solve your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and press bell icon, so easy to update my